Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Canon brand camera and it's giving you on the display an ERR20 and you're wondering what that error is and what can you do to get rid of it. And you might have noticed you got it when you're trying to use the flash, because what this ERR20 is that the camera tries to raise up the flash but it can't, to open the flash up, but for some reason it can't. So the first thing you want to do to try to fix this is just, first real simply, just turn your camera off and back on. And see if that doesn't clear it out and get things working. The next thing you want to do is you want to, on the mode dial, you want to make sure the flash is enabled and it's in the viewfinder. And then you can try to just check the flash area and make sure there's nothing preventing it physically from opening that would be from physically operating properly. And then you just want to, on the shutter, if you do a half press, it will pop the, it should pop the flash up. So if you get all that stuff, you should be able to get the flash up and get rid of this error. Hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.